Hi everyone, Coach Chong, Hyperarch Fascia Training. Today I'm going to show you an exercise you can do at home, whether you have injured your knee or you're coming back from knee surgery, you can do this, all right? So the first thing we're going to do is the elevated toe curls, right? So all your bodies is filled with fascia from head to toe, okay? So when your foot lies in the shoe without any type of movement, you have these joints, which are the toe joints. If these joints are not moving properly and you don't have the proper fascial connection from the feet to the glutes and the rest of the body, you're going to experience chronic pain. So what's going to happen is, the first thing we're going to do is elevate toe curls, okay? Simple exercise. You want to do this between 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how bad your foot is. So this is how I do it, okay? I will start with rolling the tennis ball, okay? You want to be rolling the tennis ball back and forth like me. I see some people, they just don't move when standing on this because they feel a sore spot. That is okay, but our goal is to rub against the entire plantar fascia and create some warmth, okay? So you're going to do this. Again, you don't have to spread the toes or anything like that. Just relax and roll. As you can see, my anterior tibial tendon is very prominent and thick. And if you don't see any anterior tibial tendon here, it's okay. You know, this is just the start of the journey. So we're gonna do this for 2 minutes. Now I'm not gonna do for 2 minutes because I'm under time constraint, but you get the idea. So the idea is that you want to get yourself warmed up, okay? Now I'm going to switch over here, and you're going to do 2 minutes as well, okay? Some people, just doing this because they're standing, their weight is on one leg, they're going to feel, oh, you know, I can't take this, I can't stand on one leg, I'm already fatigued. That means your fascial system is extremely weak. You got to work on it. If you don't work on it, your joints will suffer, and your quality of life will suffer. So you're going to keep on doing this on this side, 2 minutes to 5 minutes, 2 minutes to 5 minutes, rolling, okay? We're going to relax. We're going to make the blood flow a little better. Okay, a lot of good stuff going on. All right, now the second thing we're going to do is the elevated toe curls. So we're going to curl our toes with the heel off the ground, okay? Not too much. Too much is not good. We're going to move them. We're going to move them. And don't be afraid to move all of them, okay? Don't be afraid to move all of them. Again, there's no need to spread them. I know some people teach the toes to spread. No need in our training. So you're going to try to keep the ball and the foot on the floor, but try to move all of them, okay? You wanted to do this, basically what is happening is just like your hands, okay? Our wrist and our hands are, our wrist and our ankle are very similar. So you want to make sure that your feet is doing this, okay? Again, your feet should be doing this, okay? You want to spend about 2 to 5 minutes each side. And don't cheat, because you cheat your body is going to cheat you. So you're going to do this. It's okay if your pinky is not behaving a little bit, that's okay, but your big toe need to move, okay? You want to move all of them toes. Try to move them, okay? So you're going to do this again for 2 to 5 minutes. If you have been doing this every day, like 4 out of 7 days, then you're okay, all right? But if you have been only like doing maybe 1 out of 7 days, no good. You need to do it more. Now the next exercise, next thing we're gonna do, let's say you just came back from knee injury, right? Big surgery on your knee, ACL rupture, okay? So you're going to grab the marble, all right? You're gonna go on, obviously, you wanna go on something soft, so you're gonna use the the trampoline with the handle, all right? And then concentrate on your balance, and then with this foot, you're going to cycle through, all right? Cycle, go up, cycle through, okay? Cycle through. Very slowly, like you're doing Tai Chi. Again, the reason that when we do Tai Chi, we're doing slow movements is not because we can't do fast. We're trying to encourage the fascia to slide against the muscle. Creates healing, promotes better functionality of the body. All right? We're going to keep on doing this. Keep on cycling. Keep on cycling. Very good. And we want to do this particular exercise on one foot. We want to do around 2 to 5 minutes as well. Okay? So the at least basic requirement is for you to do 2 minutes. But if you can do a little bit more with the handle, I mean with the assist here, that you don't lose your balance, you can do up to 5. Now we're going to submerge the marble to this foot, okay? I'm going to do cycle. It's okay if you hear your bone crack a little bit, something like that. It's okay. It should go away. Keep on doing it. Slow down your breathing as well, as your movement is very slow. Keep doing it. And again, you're going to do this for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay? And after this is done, you still have the marble. You're going to put the marble down. Okay? And then on this trampoline, because you hurt yourself, you don't want to exert too much, you're going to, if you are not ready yet, hold on to the bar. If you're ready, you can just simply hop, okay? Simply hop on the trampoline, on the remounder. And if you're not ready yet, hold on to it. Hold on to this and hop, okay? Try to keep your heel a little bit elevated. Keep your center of gravity, the contact area should be your ball of the foot and the toes, okay? So you can see this is what I'm doing, okay? I don't need it, but for those people that are injured, coming back from knee surgery, grab onto it. You don't want to injure yourself. Do this. And what you should be feeling is, okay, there's some glutes gets involved. There should be some hamstring, posterior. You should never feel, oh, my quad is doing all the work. That means something, your neurological pattern is wrong. Contact me, take the assessment. We'll fix you up for good. But you need to keep doing this. You want to keep on doing this for, initially you want to do for 2 minutes. As you slowly progress, do 5 minutes. If when you do this, right, just slight hopping and jumping on the trampoline, if you start to feeling Achilles pain, something is wrong with your foot again. Take the assessment on my website and we'll take a look and help you again. All right, this has been a very good opportunity, a good time for us. A lot of people getting a lot of results, and make sure you check them on my YouTube and Instagram. Thank you.